Welcome to your next JavaScript tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll look at objects, JavaScript objects. Remember, we just made a little reference to them in the past tutorial. So I'll show you an object is a collection of properties. A collection of properties. And a property is a key value pair. A property is a key value pair. So you'll see this right now in operation. So in JavaScript, object is just like a normal variable, so we can just call this. We assign a value to it. You use these curly bracelets above your keyboard. You just hold your shift key and press the curly bracelets, and here we are. So we start declaring assigning values to it. So the properties, the first thing about my girlfriend is her first name. Let's say first name, and you use this colon, and the first name is Jolie, and you use a comma and type the last name is Angelina. All right, and what's her height? 6 feet. Okay, what's her rating? Her rating is, let's say, 80. Just showing you that you can use different type of data types inside your objects. Then finally you can use a function. What's her full name? You can use a function, say, remember I taught you functions in the past. We can say this dot first name concatenated with a space, concatenated with the last name. We can say last name, and then we have this dot last name. This last name we have here. So remember I taught you what this keyword does. It picks the one where you declare the variable. We have last name, and then remember I taught you what return keyword does. Return. Okay, so now we are sorted out with this. So anytime this is called, it will run this function. And when you assign a function as a value to a key in an object, that function becomes a method. You don't call it a function again, you call it a method. Okay, and here we are. Let's use it. Let's see how we can use this. We can just say document.write. We can do this in two ways, where we have we can access these keys in two ways, the value of this key. So we can say girlfriend dot first name, let's say we'll refresh, we have Jolie. You understand? Another way to access this is to put it inside block brackets like this and make it a string. So we'll refresh, we still have Jolie. So let's say girlfriend, the last name. Let me just duplicate this. Last name. Okay, so girlfriend dot last name. It will give you the same thing. Let's put a line break so that it will be on different lines. So to do that, we'll have PR. So refresh, we have Jolie and Angelina. So how do we check out this function? How do we get the full name? So let's see. We'll just duplicate this guy here to create another line. Then we can say the full name should be, the full name should be girlfriend dot full name. So remember to put these brackets, and then there we have it, Jolie and Angelina. If we remove this return statement, guess what will happen? Refresh, it becomes undefined. So always make sure that your function, your method, is returning something. All right, so another way, what if we wanted to declare this function this way? So we just say just another line break, and we put it inside block brackets this way. You see what I did? I put this guy, made it a string, then I put this comma, this call it these round brackets, all right, and then we're good to go. So I refresh, and that's it. All right, so this is how to manage objects in JavaScript. So in the next tutorial we'll look at arrays. So thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.